Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Pinki from Spunki, Incredibox. In the Incredibox mod Sprunki, Pinki stands out as the 18th character and the third vocal. As a cheerful and kind-hearted rabbit, she prefers hopping energetically to get around, unlike the others who slide smoothly. Her friendly nature shines through her close bond with Veneria, and she shares a sweet relationship with Oren. Skilled and meticulous, Pinki works as a manicurist, bringing her delicate touch to her craft. With her soft pink fur, a charming magenta bow perched on her head, and matching magenta eyelids, she exudes an endearing charm that's impossible to miss. Watching her in action, it's clear that Pinki brings a lively and compassionate energy to the Sprunki ensemble. In Sprunki, Pinki's voice takes on a soft, feminine choir tone. She sings by repeating the same note 3 times before transitioning to a slightly deeper note on the 4th, during which her eyes fall half-lidded. On the 5th and final note, she reaches an even deeper tone, closing her eyes entirely. Creator has officially confirmed Pinki and Oren's relationship, making them the only canon couple in the Sprunki universe so far. Known for her exceptionally kind personality, Pinki stands out not just for her demeanor but also for her distinctive appearance. Alongside Veneria and Gray, she is one of the few characters whose eyelids differ in color from her skin. Pinki and Brud are also notable for being the only Sprunkis who survived with visible injuries. Additionally, Nyanka Flaw mentioned on Discord that Pinki would likely excel at cooking, showcasing her nurturing and skillful side. As a rabbit, she may also possess the ability to jump higher than the average Sprunki, adding a unique agility to her character. In Spunki's horror mode, Pinki's face is violently torn off, exposing 3 crooked teeth, bloodshot eyes, and visible nostrils. Her head jerks around during her loop, and near the end, her pupils contract sharply. Despite this horrific injury, Pinki is one of the few characters who actually survived horror mode, alongside Gray, Wenda, Funbot, Jevin, Brud, and Mr. Fun Computer. Design in this form seems to draw inspiration from Giggle's injury in the Happy Tree Friends episode Ice Cold Lemonade. I hope this video provides you with step-by-step guidance on drawing and coloring, making it easier for you to create your own artwork. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, as your support encourages me to create more similar content. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.